Here is a TAT Ornate spinner that I got from Peter Cassane. Hope I'm saying that right. I got this back at Fanimation in trade. I have it installed here in the dining room. Before here it was a TAT Tongue Emperor. I'm sure maybe some of you guys remember that. But this one does not have a pull chain to operate it, but instead it has just a regular old variable speed switch, and it is reversible. And it uses a industrial grade motor. And I want to say this dates back to maybe the early mid 80s. Cast aluminum spinner motor. Well, anyway, we'll start it up on low. It does have a bit of torque when it reaches to high. I like that ignore the TV in the background. I'll go up in some speeds. Try to. The pitch is a bit wonky. It's pretty much goes from low to high. And I didn't even really do much. Yeah, it went from low to high pretty much. That's a good runner. Does wobble a little bit. Go all the way. There's really not much change. This is a 48-inch span. The canopy on the top is obviously not correct. It had a much longer down rod, but by the time that the down rod was set in stone installed here, the top of the motor probably about right here on the glass. Which right here is about eye level, and if it was at about right here, this will probably be where the end of the glass would be, so that'd be pretty low. Well, anyway, that's it, and until next time.